Today we test the Inkbird IBT-4XS Bluetooth thermometer and probe set, a device many affiliates promise will master grilling precision. Setup is straightforward, pairing instantly with a phone app, charting temps, timers, and alerts to guide perfect rye-by every time. In use it shines with fast pairing, long battery life, and accurate temps, but the app UI feels cluttered and some features are redundant. Value-wise it undercuts Pro tools, yet occasional connectivity hiccups remind viewers to expect occasional recalibrations. For daily life, clip the receiver near the grill, save favorite temps, and share quick affiliate tips to maximize consistency.